If you need to change your Gmail phone number on your mobile device, I've got you covered. Today I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select Manage your Google account. Next, tap on the Personal Info tab. This section allows you to manage your personal details, including your phone number. Now, scroll down to the Contact Info. Tap on Edit next to your phone number. Click on Add Now if you haven't kept a phone number yet, or enter your phone number and follow the prompts to verify it. Google will send a verification code to a new number to confirm that it's valid. Enter the verification code when prompted. Once verified, your phone number will be updating. After updating, it's a good idea to double check that your new phone number is correctly listed in your account settings. And that's it. You successfully changed your Gmail phone number using your mobile device.